I'm very grateful you being a part of Team Simba Arati as your next governor in Kisii County. Simba being the governor, Robert Monda, deputy governor, Momaima Onyonka as your senator, and Donya Doris as women rep Kisii County. We need to feel proud of this team for Kisii County development. It is within an ample request. I urge you to join me on date 9th August 2022 at your various polling station and vote for Paul Simba Arati as your governor and his team. I humbly and kindly urge you to come out in large numbers with your family members and friends within Kisii County and vote for Paul Simba Arati and his team. Wish you well as we are waiting for the 9th August 2022.